IPL is Diwali in first half. I think sports is now an asset.
आपको लग रहा है टू मच क्रिकेट हो गया?
I think making IPL free is the next step. It is the same old story. जितनी चीनी डालोगे उतना मीठा बनेगा बस.
चलो जी, स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट पे आते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट एज अ सब्जेक्ट. स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है? आप इसमें कैसे घुसे? और अगर आज समवन यंगस्टर इज वाचिंग एंड ही वांट्स टू गेट इनटू स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट, तो हाउ डज दैट हैपन?
I came into sports because, as I said, I wanted to be in sports. मैं कोई भी जॉब मेरे को मिलती मैं कर लेता. And coming back to sports management, I think my advice to everyone who wants to pursue a career in it, I think do a study. It will definitely help you. It will become a platform for you to enter into the industry, and this industry is growing. And like I said, and I want to say this: sports management is a very extreme, I would say, very big subject, because it has operations in it, it has broadcast in it, it has sports marketing in it, like us.
Which are specializations in its own.
Yeah,
अलग-अलग.
but the अलग-अलग streams, you after sports management depends on the company you join in. Now, social media is also one, content is one, right? Franchisee management is one, operations is one, gate ticketing is also part of it. So sports management, just initially we used to think that it is sports marketing only, but it is not. Sports management is huge. And best part which I personally like is, in this particular field, you can't suddenly come at top. You have to make your way towards the top. आपको एड़ियां घिसनी ही पड़ेंगी. Because imagine, let's say, if I'm sitting in front of a brand, अगर मैंने इंडिया के हर स्टेडियम में या कई स्टेडियम में जाके काम नहीं किया है, ग्राउंड पे काम नहीं किया है, शूट्स पे काम नहीं किया है, टीम्स के साथ काम नहीं किया है, BCCI के साथ काम नहीं किया है, how would I tell that story for that brand's requirement and provide solutions? So for me, in this industry, you have to come right from the bottom to the top. And it's an amazing journey, trust me.
बट ये क्या, मेरे को मेरे आसपास जो दोस्त हैं वो बोलते हैं बहुत ग्लैमरस है. ये इतना ग्लैमरस है जितना लगता है बाहर से.
नहीं, glamorous बिल्कुल नहीं. See, as you have, it's a profession at the end of the day. While yes, बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि
प्लेयर्स के
साथ घूम रहे हो, ये करो, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. They are also very professional. We are also very professional, and you have to maintain that. Because yes, a fanboy can come sometimes into you when you are starting your career, and that's where you are getting tested actually, whether you are meant for this industry or not. Because you have to separate your work versus fandom. So I think work comes first. If you're able to deliver it, and if you're able to do good job over the years, and that's where you make a career, like any other place or any other industry or profession.
तो कभी आपको लगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है, मतलब दिस इज टू हेक्टिक, या छोड़ देना चाहिए ये फील्ड?
नहीं, अभी तक तो वो फीलिंग नहीं आई. I love my job. And I always say this because I do this very passionately.
तो स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट के अंदर आपका स्पोर्ट्स का पैशन होना ज़रूरी है.
It's an advantage.
कोई बैंकिंग के अंदर जाता है तो थोड़ा बैंकिंग मेरा पैशन है.
हाँ, मतलब हाँ, it's an advantage for sure. अगर आपको पैशन है स्पोर्ट्स का तो डेफिनेटली, industry was not started by people who were probably just passionate about sports. They saw it as business, and they are currently the stalwarts of this business, right? And I would always aim to be one, right? And just, it's a very small career for me right now, but I really want to do it probably in 10-15 years. I want to be regarded like that. So everybody wants to be, right? And I'm not no different. So in that particular space, I think yes, your passion for sports help, but if you have the business acumen, you can do very well in this particular field.
So is there space for new agencies now?
There's always space. There's always space. Sports is the biggest growth story in India right now. So it's not just cricket. All the emerging sports which are coming up, it's an Olympic year, and you've seen the growth of Kabaddi. Also, one point I wanted to talk about is, have you seen the rate of growth, or rather the growth rate of sports infrastructure in this country? Football turfs, golf courses have come up. So sports is now becoming part of your culture. हम बचपन से सबको everybody grew up to gully cricket, gully football, or wherever जिसको जहाँ जगह मिलती थी, everybody has played it, right? But now look at it, people are actually booking turfs and playing over there.
Yeah.
So sports overall is rising. Does it come in sports management? Yes, absolutely it does. Sports infrastructure is very, very, very important part of sports industry. And now, not every day you go and play in big stadiums, right? But you would definitely go to a turf every weekend. I've been doing that from 25 years, right? And it's, I think Sunday is one day which I don't want to miss. I've not missed it from so many years, and I still don't want to miss. Badminton courts, swimming pools. So now what has changed is that sports is now becoming culture. It will take time. The day your parents come along to your college game and a school game and cheer you up, that's where the things will change. And that's where India will becoming a sporting nation. अभी हम लोग बचपन में जब मैच खेलने गए, हमने तो पेरेंट्स का साथ नहीं देखा. जैसे मेरे पिताजी तो आज भी मुझे पूछते हैं, व्हाट डू यू डू? ही इज कंफ्यूज्ड. मैं ट्रॉफी लेके मैं जब इंडिया सीरीज वगैरह मैनेज करते थे एग्जीक्यूशन में, तो हम कई बार एयरपोर्ट पे ट्रॉफी होती थी हमारे साथ में. पुलिस वाले रोक के हमारे साथ, यार सर, कैन वी क्लिक अ पिक्चर ऑफ इट? For them it is huge, right? It is for them that access to the stadium, leave that part. If a trophy is passing by, we are just carrying the trophy. It is part of our work. And people will do that. The story बता दूँ. मैं इंदौर में था एक बारी, तो we had the acrid obviously. वो मेरा गाड़ी जो है 1 किलोमीटर पहले खराब होगी. And obviously there is barricading, security, सब कुछ था. And I said, sir, the car is not moving, you have to walk. And I was carrying the trophy with me, the man of the match trophy with me.
Achha.
Now while I was passing by, and we had the clear instructions, we usually hide it, and obviously we should not come in the limelight. It is not our job, right? And then we stick to it. But मैं जब निकल रहा था, तो some newspaper guys, local newspaper guys saw it, and they started running towards me. And actually literally run with the trophy. Other time I was scared that I should not drop it. And when they saw that, so the crowd started running behind me.
नहीं, अगर आप टीम की बसेस देखो,
हाँ,
मतलब जो मैंने पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस किया है, मैं पीसीएम वाली स्टेडियम की बहुत बिल्कुल बाजू में रहता हूँ.
हाँ.
तो हमारे पास टिकट्स तो होती नहीं थी जब मैचेस होते थे पीसीए में.
हाँ.
तो मेरे घर के सामने से, बैल्कनी के सामने से टीम की वो निकलती थी, और हम वहीं पे खड़े रहते थे कि बस निकल रही. बट दैट ऑल्सो कम्स विद द कमर्शलाइजेशन एंड ग्लैमराइजेशन ऑफ स्पोर्ट, विच ब्रिंग्स मी टू कि यार अभी क्रिकेट के लिए तो हो गया है. मेरे को मेरी टीम वीडियोस दिखा रही थी कि केरला के अंदर लोकल क्लब मैच के अंदर कितनी ज़्यादा वो आता है. तो
द केरला सेवेंस, oh,
देखा,
I lot of my friends who is from Nigeria has gone and played over there, and I want to, but I'm not that good. But I really want to go and play Kerala Sevens.
बट
What passion!
मैंने जब वीडियोस देखे कि वो गेट तोड़ रहे हैं अंदर आने के लिए, वो मैच देखने के लिए, जो कि शायद टेलीकास्ट नहीं हो रहा होगा कहीं पे, राइट?
What matches they play? Oh, beautiful. 5-on-5, 7-on-7, pura, the soil ground, which has no grass ground. And the access of the crowd is like this. And obviously football is an aggressive, is a aggressive game. You tend to, in the heat of the motion, you know, 'cause sometimes a fight would happen. And at a local level, by the way, in Kerala Sevens, there are local rivalries, big time rivalries, and very interesting.
तो ये इतना इंडिया में अगर फुटबॉल की बात करें
हाँ,
तो बोलते हैं कि गोवा साइड है, केरला साइड है और नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड है. एम आई करेक्ट?
नहीं. So there are other sides of it as well, which probably not everybody is aware of. Have you heard of Rurka Kalan? Rurka Kalan is in Punjab,
अच्छा.
and they produce best of the best footballers. JCT Punjab band ho gaya, but used to do so much. Round Glass is in Punjab. They've been doing, but lot of players now comes from North India as well. Yes, football is in regions quite big,
कल्चर है वो, जो आप कल्चर
which
की
is
बात.
part of culture, but it is coming up in other cities as well. Bangalore, look at it. It has developed, right? Right. BFC, you see what passion they do that, right? Chennai,
एफसी बीएफसी वर्सेस केबीएफसी मैच तो
हाँ, right. Calcutta में पाड़ा फुटबॉल होता है. Okay, so it is their 7-on-7 or 4-on-4. They play in street. They lock the streets in the night. They put just 2 shoes and play on the road only.
मैंने सुना है कि मोहन बगान वर्सेस ईस्ट बंगाल में 100,000 लोग आते हैं.
Sir, have you experienced that match?
No.
Again, one suggestion: you should go for that match.
100,000 की कैपेसिटी भी होती है क्या हमारे यहाँ?
उधर सॉल्ट लेक में है.
अच्छा.
द फुटबॉल सॉल्ट लेक में है. मेरा हॉस्टल जो था कैलकाटा, व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय पोस्ट ग्रेड इन स्पोर्ट्स, वाज नेक्स्ट टू इट. तो हम लोग तो बहुत जाते थे, चाहे तो फेडरेशन कप हो. एंड I was very lucky in my batch. I saw people from all over India and come study with me. They were all younger to me because मैं 5 साल नौकरी करके जॉब करके गया था, and they were all 20-year-olds. So one lot of local people from Calcutta, one from Maharashtra, one from Gujarat, one from Goa, and all passionate about sports in their own whatever they used to like. One was very passionate about shooting, handball, skates. There used to be a girl who came from Pune, used to do skating at a national level winner वगैरह थी वो. And then I used to, obviously my friends who were in cricket or probably football, they were following. So every match we used to go in Salt Lake. So we saw Federation Cup matches between Mohan Bagan and I think I saw Mohan Bagan and East Bengal. तो मैंने एक देखा ही है. And they divide the stadium in half. इस साइड से मोहन बगान and इस साइड से ईस्ट बंगाल. So we were not, obviously everybody was from outside, and we decided to come from East Bengal gate. हमें वहाँ का टिकट्स मिला, किस तरह से हमने वो बाय किया तो हमें वहाँ का टिकट. And obviously in a group there were some Mohan Bagan fans as well. They were like, no, we don't want to sit over there because अगर मैंने cheer कर दिया, अगर गोल पड़ गया तो it will be a very difficult situation for him. फिर हम भी उसको जबरदस्ती ले गए, नहीं तो चल हमारे, because you want to sit with your gang, right? But what an experience. What a experience. I think I saw a 0-0 draw. It's a goalless draw, but the way they fight about and the way they are passionate about their clubs, obviously that history has come up.
तो अगर मैं पर्सनली पूछूं,
हाँ.
नॉट द सीईओ ऑफ ITW Catalyst, बट कि कहाँ, मतलब अभी एशिया कप में भी हम हारे, मतलब इन द सेंस कि क्या वो क्रिकेट की तरह क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है फुटबॉल को, ये शायद सवाल बहुत आता होगा. बट बिकॉज यू प्ले फुटबॉल, बिकॉज यू हैव अ टैटू ऑफ दिस थिंग, तो जब कल्चर है, जब सब कुछ है, तो वेयर आर वी लैकिंग?
आई थिंक थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग की तरफ. I think we, by the way, India performs very well till under 14s at national levels as well. I think we need to develop from 14 to जो 20 का stage होता है is very important for every athlete. It's not just football. I myself don't have answers to it, how to do it. There are football experts, training experts who can answer it better. But that's where we need to win the battle.
But do you think
that one is love for the sports needs to continue? I'm sure you know this, is people who, not just people, I would say children who want to pursue sports, there are so many dropouts in every sports. Because sometimes they feel that they cannot make it to the top, and it happens in every sport. I think football में वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. While their passion for sports will always be, with them, they will follow a team, they will follow a sport, they will keep on playing it, and then trying to pass on to their children as well. But I think in football, one is, we don't have to look at grassroots as one initiative. It has to start from as an initiative, but it has to become a discipline. That's where things will change. And it will not change in small time. And I'm saying not just 10-15 years. It will take more.
But I think changing. मैंने ये सवाल सुनील छेत्री को भी पूछा था.
हाँ.
उन्होंने बोला कि इंडिया में फुटबॉल के इंटरेस्ट का कोई अभाव नहीं है. What is needed is कि यहाँ से यहाँ प्लेटफॉर्म, यहाँ से यहाँ प्लेटफॉर्म, यहाँ से यहाँ प्लेटफॉर्म. अगर हमने बता दिया कि मैं यहाँ के साथ जाऊँगा, मैं ब्रांड साइड से बात करता हूँ. डू यू थिंक कि मनी बीइंग स्पेंट ऑन द स्पोर्ट ब्रिंग्स व्यूअरशिप? मतलब मैं ही सोचता हूँ पर्सनली कि व्यूअरशिप और द मनी दैट कम्स इनटू अ स्पोर्ट, इज इट अ चिकन एंड एग प्रॉब्लम? कि व्यूअरशिप आएगी तो ब्रांड ज़्यादा पैसा डालेंगे तो स्पोर्ट ऊपर जाएगी.
No, you need to add talent and multiple heroes into it. That's where the circle is complete. Because when the talent comes in, that's where the heroes will come out. It should not be one hero.
टैलेंट मतलब आप इंटरनेशनल लेवल. बिकॉज मैं
Not
गोवा
just
में
international.
एक साल था.
हाँ.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, एक नॉर्मल छोटा सा जो अपने टर्फ होता है,
हाँ.
उस पे 2 लोकल मैच चल रहे हैं. ठीक है, जैसे मड़गांव वर्सेस समथिंग.
हाँ.
everyone will stop their scooters and cars and cycles. और वो पूरा, मतलब मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा कि वो एक लोकल मैच के लिए इतना क्राउड इकट्ठा हो जाता है. कोई टिकट सेल नहीं हो रही, कुछ नहीं हो रही, बट इट्स फुल ट्रैफिक जाम लगता है वहाँ पे. तो टैलेंट तो वहाँ से आ रहा है, मतलब इंटरेस्ट तो आ रहा है. बट व्हाट यू मीन इज कि इंटरनेशनल लेवल टैलेंट आएगा या क्या होगा?
Develop that talent to a very high international standard. वो डेवलप करना सबसे बड़ी जर्नी. As I said, India performs very well till under 14, under 16s. But that next level of football or any particular sport is required. वो next level कैसे? Sports में एक saying है, if a child or a kid is able to complete 10,000 hours of training by the age of 18, he and she will become a superstar in sports. Now, they say it in Germany. German footballer completes around 9,000 or 9,500 hours of training, but it's very difficult. It's not easy. In England, it is somewhere around again 9,000. Spain is also around same figures. I think what we need to do is we need to follow this. If we are able to follow this, and with good training and exposure and newer techniques, India will be there. There is, like you said, talent का कमी नहीं है. I would say.
नहीं, anyways, it is a very nice number 1 sport in the world. Watch sport क्या है? फुटबॉल है.
फुटबॉल ही.
तो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि.
हाँ.
EPL मैच देखा आपने लाइव?
हाँ, देखा है. मैंने EPL देखा है, वुमेन्स प्रीमियर लीग भी देखा है बाहर. चेल्सी का मैच देखा है. And I especially went to see a Chelsea women's game. I wanted to see it. Real Madrid देखा है, and Ajax देखा है, because I'm personally a big fan of Ajax and we've been following it. I've been following football for long, so from the days where there was no internet as well. So yes, one thing I wanted to do when I went to Europe and England was to watch a football match first.
ठीक है, तो फुटबॉल का लास्ट है कि डू यू थिंक थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग? डू यू थिंक 5 साल पहले जो था, 10 साल पहले जो था, ISL and everything?
Definitely changing. Again, I'm saying that ISL is a very young league. It will settle down, and when it settles down in number of years, obviously in its journey, then again from a point of view of brand, I'm talking as a brand manager, I'm telling you, is that you would also think of investing in it in the way that it provides solution. Again, it could be regional, it could be national, but yes, it is in the right direction. But it will take time. Things doesn't change in few years. I think 2013 it started. We are sitting in 10 years it has completed. So quite young for football. वेरी वेरी
और
Yeah.
कबड्डी देखते हो आप?
कबड्डी देखता हूँ और बड़ा मजा आता है देखने में.
सेकंड मोस्ट वॉच स्पोर्ट इन इंडिया इज कबड्डी, इज दैट राइट?
Yes.
तो ये कैसे हुआ? मतलब दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी यंग.
हाँ. So what is different between what is the difference? So when kabaddi started and we were mesmerized with the numbers it was garnering. यार क्या हो क्या रहा है? One is it is a well packaged product by Star Sports at that point. You know, the product, the packaging was done so superbly that you will go for a match. और मैं
आप लीग की बात कर रहे हो, पीकेएल की?
PKL की बात कर रहा हूँ. Also, PKL में ना you don't need to know the score.
Okay.
When you switch on the match, first thing you want to see is one person is going on the other side, the raid is happening, you just want to see what is happening. वो तो आप बाद में देखोगे स्कोर क्या हो रहा है, टीम कौन सी है, बट उस समय तुम्हें क्या देखना है, व्हाट यू वांट टू सी इज यार ये करेगा क्या, बच के आएगा और ही विल बी कॉट. एंड इंडियंस हमें मजा आता है देख, हमारा स्पोर्ट भी है,
बचपन
Right.
में खेला भी है.
हम तो गाड़ी रोक के भी देख लेते हैं कि रोड पे क्या हो रहा है, कि लड़ाई होगी कि नहीं होगी. But this we witnessed, and we were doing a report, and we were working on a report in kabaddi or trying to study it. Ki what is it with? There is no that kind of affinity towards those teams.
Correct.
We never knew who these players are. Suddenly came in. Why I said it was a well-packaged product, it is still date a well-packaged product, is what they did right was they were telling you about kabaddi, their moves, right? Ankle hold. What is ankle hold? हमें तो नहीं पता था, right? And suddenly you were known as ankle hold. It's where when the raider tries to put his leg in, try to get that extra point, and that ankle hold comes in, and there are ankle hold specialists in the team. So information. The package of Star Sports provided you information, number one. Number two, they created heroes out of team. Suddenly you would know यार वो रवि करके लड़का यार वो बढ़िया खेलता है उस टीम से, right? And in first 5 seasons you would have the graphics also coming in, that player standing like that, and suddenly they were telling you their names very well so that you could remember it. And the beauty of the sport itself, what we talked about, is that raid which is happening. You really want to see one man against 8 men. Or suddenly you want to see one man as one as well. Kya hoga? And since you have played that game at some level, right, you tend to fall for it.
Also maybe shorter duration format.
Definitely.
है ना? From a viewership point of view.
40 minutes of entertainment.
Adrenaline wala.
Adrenaline. Have you seen a match of kabaddi in stadium?
No.
You should see. And you should go to Patna for that once.
Okay.
A media drive place, इतना कुछ होता नहीं वहाँ, और जब पटना पायरेट्स वहाँ खेलता है against all, not just पटना पायरेट्स, सारी टीम्स होती है, आपको टिकट नहीं मिलेगा उस स्टेडियम का. And I've watched a match over there. Recently I watched a match in Tyagaraja Stadium in Delhi. And there was someone, a friend of mine, who came in with his kids, and he has 2 sons. One is 8 and one is, I think, 11 or 12. They were like, pakdo, whatever you could do, pakad, ye kar, wow. And suddenly they were all in awe of kabaddi. 40 minutes they were not sitting at their seats.
मैंने बहुत सुना है, मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि एक बारी मैच जाके देखो तो आपको वो
मजा आएगा,
वो पता लगेगा कि एनर्जी कितनी होती है.
बहुत एनर्जी होती है. And from a TV perspective, I'm just repeating myself again, going back to it, you just want to see क्या होता है next raid पे. You sometimes forget which team is playing, right? And then of course there is team fan following is there, but at that point, a particular moment, you just want to see क्या हो रहा है. मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आता है देख.
No, मेरे को तो from the brand side मेरा इंटरेस्ट जागा था, बिकॉज जब मुझे पता लगा, मतलब I was just reading, I think 200-250 million का उनका व्यूअरशिप है, which is phenomenal for a sport which is not cricketing sport, which is a new sport. तो फिर
एंड बाय द वे इट गिव्स उसका नंबर्स मैंने देखा था, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ बी टाउन और ये सब, मेट्रो से भी बहुत अच्छा नंबर्स आता है उनका,
ऐसा माना जाता है,
ऐसा माना जाता है।
टियर 2 टियर 3 का व्यूअरशिप ज़्यादा है वहाँ।
नहीं, अगर आप निकालो तो मेट्रो से भी बहुत अच्छा आता है। महाराष्ट्र में बहुत अच्छा कंजम्पशन है, बॉम्बे पर्टिकुलरली से बहुत अच्छा आता है। बट अगेन आई एम सेइंग इट कम्स एट द टाइम दे प्लान इट, देन देयर इज नो क्रिकेट आल्सो, यू डोंट हैव टू compete, they promote it well, right?
Franchisee owners are also Bollywood people and
हाँ, they are Bollywood obviously. Abhishek Bachchan owns Jaipur. Now Adani has a team over there.
PHL देखा आपने? मैं 2000 I don't know 5 6 7 में पंजाब में मैच होता था, तो जुगराज सिंह और ये सब खेलते थे। तो क्या हुआ हॉकी लीग को?
So I was very small at that point of time. मतलब मेरे को खुद नहीं पता उसको क्या हुआ, because मैंने BHL अगर देखा है तो टीवी पे ही देखा है, एंड आई थिंक 2003-4 तक चला था वो शायद। बट
मेरे को ईयर याद नहीं है, बट
हाँ,
I remember
but I
watching
think-
matches and it was just incredible in Chandigarh. We used to watch those
But that was prime hockey as well, right? I think उस समय India was a top hockey team. Now it is coming up again, right? I think थोड़ा सा federations divide हो गई. That was not helpful for the sport.
ठीक है, बोल सकते हो आप, बोल। हॉकी लीग आ रही है क्या अभी?
Hockey league आ रही है. You will see a rebirth of hockey for sure, and I really hope it does well. What as a sports marketer we always hope is every league should flourish. To be very honest, given a chance, everybody should go and watch a match in a stadium. It can be any match. And at this time I was so I came for a WPL match in Chinnaswamy Stadium, and I was expecting somehow with RCB fan following that it will be full. It was full.
मैं बहुत सरप्राइज था,
है ना?
फुल स्टेडियम।
I'll tell you a bigger surprise story. मैं दिल्ली गया मैच के लिए. It was full.
WPL
It was not full as in full capacity, but 70-60% finals it was full. So things are changing. Globally also, Akash, and I should tell you this, women's sports is on a rise. Women's FIFA World Cup, phenomenal numbers. Women's Premier League in England, houseful games. The performance of India in ICC Women's World Cup.
Yeah.
You look at everybody was talking about it. We did a campaign. I think Uber did a campaign. Women jersey. I think jersey sees no gender. Jersey is a jersey, right? So incredible, right? Brands also wants to take that position when it comes to becoming an enabler to women's sports. This I can tell you is women's sport is definitely on a rise. And then now with the birth of WPL and others as well, right? Handball league is starting up where men and women both will be there.
Yeah.
I think few years time we'll see a rise in women's kabaddi as well. Women's hockey, because hockey league which coming up, I'm not too sure fully, but I think men's, women's both will be launched in it.
Okay.
So which is good for sport for sure, and definitely good for India to becoming as we want to be that sports cultured country. It is there somewhere there, but it needs to come out.
No,
We need to express about
I have friends who are hockey players, and they told me that when you talk about hockey, you have to give credit to Odisha government also for doing what they've done to the sport.
I think they have done a phenomenal job. And we spoke about infrastructures, facilities, right? They are providing it. As a government, they have taken that initiative to work towards sports and create future talent. Not just, and you don't create talents in one day, right? You need to nurture them, you need to garner them, you need to provide that kind of facilities to them. Then only you are able to create those stars. And after that, the results might come, right? So it's a long-term investment by that government. And I personally think it's a great initiative. You should go to Odisha once and see the stadiums they have made, for the facilities they have made. And then why do you think FIH wants to come and play in Odisha? There is a reason for it.
Yeah.
So
And I think it's one of a kind that they've done it for so long, and they've been the main sponsors of the sport.
No, so they're not just developing it, they're sponsoring it as well.
Yeah,
So it
yeah.
stands out. It speaks their commitment towards it. So that's very interesting.
और क्या रहा है इस साल? Olympics.
Olympic year, big story for India. I think
How do you see this from a sports marketing or a brand this thing? I think Neeraj Chopra has become the
he has become a household name.
yes.
First person to get a gold in athletics. And I love the boy. He's the way he is, right? If you look at his interviews, his shoots, and everything, the way Neeraj Chopra is Neeraj Chopra. So lots of hopes on him for sure, which is very difficult for him. But yes, India is a country where you have to carry hopes. You have, and then you have that kind of push with you. But overall, Olympics, I think it will be our best year ever. And then I really wish that happens. We will get medals, and we will have a big contingent going in, biggest contingent ever gone. We have hopes on hockey, on men's as well as women. So there is space. Kushti, I don't know the status of it right now, but that's one. Shooting, right? And I think shooting is one space we can do good. Archery we can do very well. In athletics also, there are a lot of newer names who has come up. Badminton, of course, Sindhu is there, so we have hopes over there. So overall, as a contingent, yes, definitely. Obviously, there are talks, India bidding for 2036 Olympic to be hosted. Olympics will be a big story for India. And the emerging sports, lot of percentage of it would be in Olympic Games.
From a brand side, I've never seen so much of craze for one Olympic personality like I've seen for Neeraj Chopra. Every brand that I talk to, they want a piece of him, which is so good to see. And मैं मिला था 5 मिनट के लिए, and you are right. मतलब मैं तो 5 मिनट के लिए मिला था, but yeah, it's gem of a person. मेरे को बड़ा मजा आया मिल के. मेरे से वो इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे थे, मैंने कहा पाजी. तो बड़ा he talks the way he is very genuine, comes across, and मेरे को बिल्कुल ऐसे फील नहीं हुआ कि यार मैं एक बहुत बड़े स्टार से बात कर रहा हूँ. And I think that is where the hopes are also coming from. I think he's inspiring a lot of other kids. Yeah.
Right, absolutely. I think
मैं शायद ज़्यादा brand side से बात कर रहा हूँ because I look at it from that angle, and
which is okay. I think let's talk from the brand perspective only. I can't reveal right now, but I'm already working on 3-4 briefs on Olympics. So that talks about brands are planning towards it. They see as a big opportunity, and results, if India is able to get, I think there is no limit. There is no limit.
Also, the kind of campaigns and content that has been made with Neeraj, it's really interesting, right? I mean, I don't know if it started from Cred, but Cred ne kiya, and then so many brands doing
it.
Yeah. And they're maintaining that personality that is there with Neeraj, right?
Yeah. Keeping it real. But I don't think that is the entire new, if you see the entire new way of messaging in content. When it comes to celebrities, brands are keeping it real.
100%. Matlab, authenticity, genuinity of that player. It might appeal to a certain
It's a region. Question.
Yeah. नहीं हम इस पे बहुत बात करते हैं. And that's the challenge, right? When I talked about overexposure also. If there is a player or a personality जिसके पास 35 brands है, and you are the 36th, can you create content? एक तो virality है, which is like 24 hours का game, right? But can you create content that people remember?
Correct.
6 महीने बाद भी लोग उसको याद कर रहे हैं कि यार ये इसने किया था. जैसे मैंने अभी क्रेड की बात करी, I loved that campaign. Right, तो इंदिरा नगर का गुंडा was a great campaign. Right, now you can argue कि यार बाकी की videos इतने नहीं थे, but you have never seen Rahul Dravid in that avatar, right? So I think Zuzus, Vodafone Zuzus.
It's very difficult. For layman, they can very easily say that अरे यार ये campaign अच्छा नहीं था, ये बुरा था वो. But maintaining creativity is very difficult.
Yeah.
What I mean by maintaining creativity is sometimes one idea can come and it can reach that spike. Imagine from a brand perspective, you have attained something. So Zuzus, when it came in, what a hype! Everybody was like,
Yeah.
what a campaign! What a campaign! It followed up, but at one point of time, वो exciting नहीं रहा, and which is a natural thing. इसमें कुछ गलत और सही नहीं है.
Yeah.
But maintaining creativity is the most difficult job for any creative agency, marketing agency, brands.
Yeah. नहीं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी चेंज हुई इन द सेंस नाउ सो मच ऑफ कंटेंट इज क्रिएटेड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर सोशल मीडिया. एक टाइम पे अगर आप सचिन को छोड़ो तो कितने प्लेयर्स आपको मिलते थे एड्स में. टुडे यू हैव द एंटायर बंच ऑफ प्लेयर्स. मतलब मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ विराट और धोनी की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट देयर इज कंटेंट बीइंग क्रिएटेड विद एवरी प्लेयर एंड दैट्स नॉट जस्ट फॉर टीवी, नॉट जस्ट फॉर OTT, इट्स फॉर सोशल मीडिया, इट्स फॉर I think we have to give credit to the agencies and brands and also the players to start experimenting also, right? मतलब पहले इतने इस तरीके के कैंपेन्स नहीं होते थे. राहुल भाई को आज से 15 साल पहले ऐसा शायद पिच करते तो नहीं होता. I think things have changed with social media so much that even the personalities are ready to take different offbeat bets, because how offbeat can you go as a brand? तो यही होता है. And you've said that
Correct.
Second campaign is the most difficult one because expectations बहुत high हो जाते हैं.
Expectation high हो जाती. No, so like I said, I think to stand out, creativity definitely helps. But again, creativity is very
Subjective.
so
And things can go wrong.
it can go anywhere. And in the days of social media, it can go anywhere.
Yeah. No, I try to, as a team, we try to deconstruct जब एक अच्छा कैंपेन आता है कि या अच्छा कैंपेन नहीं भी लगता है हमारे को, तो कि यार कि क्या ब्रीफ में तो शायद बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, बट प्रॉब्ली एग्जीक्यूशन में नहीं आया है, और you can understand why the brand did what they did, right?
So for brands, it's easier said than done. A brand manager's position is very difficult because he and she has to take care of so many things and think of so many things before a campaign. Not just creativity side of it, execution side of it, platform thinking, monies, budgets, so many things a person or the team has to do. So a brand manager's position in today's days is most difficult, one of the most difficult jobs.
और फिर CFO पूछता है ROI क्या है.
हाँ.
No, but it is interesting also because there's so much to do now. Like it's not just about the A-listers only. You can create content.
Correct.
So many other personalities.
But it helps. It helps the overall. I said, how do you want to, achieve that objective, or probably give that communication out? So now you have various touch points and platforms to do that.
Even ex-players.
हाँ.
आप बहुत सारी ads देख रहे हो with ex-players, not just ex-cricketers, but you look at
Great Ravi Shastri.
रवि शास्त्री के साथ ऐड किया. There is commentators के साथ किया जा रहा है. I mean, Akash Chopra is a great brand. Well, very exciting times. और
You remember those Pepsi campaigns?
जिसमें सब प्लेयर्स आते थे.
सारे players आते थे. And we all grew up to that. ना वो बड़ा Shahrukh Khan with Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah, Bollywood meets cricket.
Right.
Nothing
Bigger than that. Whenever Bollywood meets cricket in India, I think it will always create a story. Whether it is a party they attend, or social media picture they attend, or if they ad campaign they do, it will always help for sure. Always.
क्योंकि बड़ा मजा आ रहा था पर्सनल स्टोरीज सुन के. मेरे सवाल तो हो चुके हैं. So officially we can say thank you so much for giving us the time. बड़ा मजा आया.